What's the meaning of clerk of works? Clerk of works. Clerk of works.
Clerk of works. Clerk of works. A clerk of works is a professional who oversees and inspects construction work on behalf of the client or employer. Their duties include checking the quality of materials and workmanship, ensuring compliance with building regulations and specifications, and reporting any issues to the project manager. The goal of a clerk of works is to ensure that the construction project meets the required standards of safety, quality, and design. Ultimately, the result of their work is a well-built structure that meets the expectations and needs of the client.